Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning the 13th through the 19th of January 2020 and I'm using the Happy Planner sticker book Winter collection as well as the Giving Girl silver foil items and some various washi from Michaels and Hobby Lobby and Target, as well as some wonderful stickers from shops that I'll mention later. And here is my brain dump planner coming up. This is where I'm pulling my plans from. And let's put down my base and you guys listen to some music and I'll be back with you for the day by day. Alrighty guys, so we're going to start with Monday the 13th, and I quickly learned that I did not need to white those out, but the pink was going to clash, so I thought I'd be safe and white them out, but then I figured out the sticker just covers them. So these are little date pointer flags that came with a kit a long time ago from Temp Loves Crafts. So I'm just using up what I got. Monday the 13th was my dad's birthday and a friend's birthday. So I marked that with some balloons from leftovers. Couldn't tell you where they were from. They were on one of these sticker backing sheets in a binder, so I don't know where they came from. I'm using a Monday coffee cup from Sarah Elizabeth Prince for, of course, Coffee Monday, because Monday doesn't start without coffee. So I'm also pulling in a lot of leftover stickers for this spread from Brianna Nicole Designs, and that is where the last 3 stickers have come from. No idea where the dog paw is from. And I'm marking that more for pets than the dog. And then my little girl there with the trash can and the one at the bottom that I just quickly flashed, those are from Brianna Nicole Designs as well as the Note Girl. So all the little character stickers I'm using in this spread are from Brianna Nicole Designs, so I just won't mention that anymore, so you guys don't have to hear her name 50 times in this video. So I'm reaching back into the sticker book for another one of those silver foil lined quarter boxes, and it was no school for snow. We had a snow day. It was actually, I think this is the least snowy winter we've had in a very long time. It's been at least, I don't know, 6 or 7 years since we've had a very quiet winter, and this year was very quiet. And honestly, the kids did not need a snow day, except up the hill from one of the schools. They got a lot more accumulation, so the whole school district was out. Kids loved it. I still had to go to work. So I came home and took a nap, and oh, that little girl there in the today box is to mark that I ate all the ice cream. I found this, I don't know if you can get it everywhere, but it's a brand called Tillamook, and it's, I don't remember what the actual name of the ice cream is, but it's white chocolate and milk chocolate swirled together, and it is so good. And I'm not supposed to eat ice cream, but I was having a cheat and I ate way more than I should have. Sorry about my voice. I'm still getting over that crazy flu, strep, ear infection, sinusitis stuff that I was having. The work scripts this week are going to be from Brianna Nicole Designs as well, and everything on Tuesday was from her except the no school was from Stickerific. The laptop was leftovers from a Sarah Elizabeth Prince kit, I'm pretty sure. So I'm using this burr like square box with the foil. I'm also putting some weather icons up next to the dates, and I keep forgetting to move the planner down all the way so you can see those. But those are from a free printable shop that a friend sent me. Yeah, so I'm using those because they were light enough and not bold and bright and cartoony, so, and they didn't have kawaii faces on them. Everything there is from Brianna Nicole Designs, including the telephone. It's the leftovers from a kit, and I was struggling to pull that sticker up. That Instagram icon is also leftovers. I don't think, anytime you do a spread like this where you make it work or Frankenstein a weekly, it kind of is like a mishmash of things from your collection. This is the week that I started getting sick. And I was out Friday, I was out Monday, went back to work for a week and a half, and then I was out for 2.5 more days. Oh, there's those weather icons. I don't remember what printable shop they're from. I've had them for years. Anna Loves 22 shared those with me in a friend mail, and I'm sorry. But they're really, really cute, and she used really nice paper. So I'm using another little sick day Chloe. because I had a fever, and I had a fever so bad I could not get out of bed, and I was petrified of giving it to my kids, so I quarantined myself in my bedroom and did not come out until that fever was gone, which I don't think was till like Tuesday morning. But my kids left for the weekend, so they were safe, and I could venture out and just get hubby sick, but he didn't get sick, the lucky dog. Again, another Chloe with the silver foil quarter box, and that box there is marking that my daughter was packing up and leaving that day. That half box is a colorway collection from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. She still sells it in her shop, and I would highly recommend getting it because there's colors on there that I never thought would match anything. So yeah, Friday night we went and saw Rise of Skywalker. Because I wasn't coughing, I just bundled up. We went to the latest showing, and basically my husband just wanted to get out of the house, and I didn't want him to see the movie without me, so I took a bunch of cough medicine, or cold medicine, and went to the movie, and that was bad and irresponsible, and I paid for it the next day, but it is what it is. Beth's birthday from It's Best Life was on Saturday. That's what the little panda is for. And I don't remember where she's from. She was off a freebie that I got in one of the big sales a really long time ago. I'm sorry, I'm just terrible at this whole like naming stickers on a voiceover thing. The little car is from Brandon Nicole Designs as well. I have a lot of her stickers. I avidly purchased from her, and then I PR'd for her for a while, and I'm sure that eventually PR will be a thing again. I just need to get like back in my groove. I don't want to try and represent a shop and just be out of sync with myself. So I pulled a weekend banner from the Happy Planner Winter book because the one I had pulled from AB Organizing was not quite the right tone of blue. I needed something that was more like a tealy greeny blue, and yeah, I really felt like this spread was just a hot mess waiting to happen. But it ended up working out, and you know, hubby worked overtime that night, so he got a quarter box. When he's working regular shift, he just gets the little work thing, and I normally write hubby next to it because I work a regular Monday through Friday 8 to 5, and I don't need to mark that. So that's always yeah. Oh, I was ripping the stickers, so I just gave up and moved the film over. That is from Temp Loves Crafts. There's another one of those little silver checkbox friends from The Giving Girl. I slept in on Sunday, and I was just pulling that laundry sticker down. That's also from a Chloe sheet from Brandon Nicole Designs, and is the cutest little thing. And I'm just filling in deco because really I did not do much on Sunday at all. So there's what she's looking like. And honestly, looking at it open, I feel much better about the spread, but in the moment I really thought it was going to be one of those like hot mess playing with me's, it never came together kind of thing. You know, what I pictured in my head didn't work in the, you know, in the end, but it ended up working, and I was pleasantly surprised. So if you're ever kind of Frankensteining a kit, definitely go all the way with it. Because when I got those full boxes down and I was struggling because I really wanted them really staggered and I didn't want but one header in the spread, it just, I don't know, it just started to really freak me out that it wasn't going to work. But yeah, just filling things out. Nothing too crazy. But if you did enjoy the video, I really would appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe if you're not already. I am trying to get back on a schedule. It's really, really hard right now. Work is crazy. I've been sick. My kids have been sick. Yeah, just all the things, right? It's the way it goes. But I am working on a new schedule and getting that like all sorted out for myself. And once I do, I'll definitely let you guys know what it's going to be. I'm also working on some other projects that I'm hoping to come to fruition here in the next little while. And I hope it's as good once it comes out of my head as it is in my head right now. But if it's not, then you'll never hear this again, and that'll be the end of that. And I won't mention it again. So, yeah. I really hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I hope everybody had a wonderful Valentine's Day, because I'm about a month behind in my planner right now, but I promise I'm going to catch up. Ooh, I did some major damage at the PVC sale. I looked at my husband and said, "What is my sticker budget?" He gave me a number and I said, "Deal." I didn't even try to negotiate. I was just like, "Deal." So I have a haul coming for you guys very soon. I just need to sit down and film it. And I bought from one shop in the TPC sale. So yeah, there's the wiggle. Thumbs it up, heart it. Love you guys. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye for now.